Everybody, I wanted to make a quick preface to this video because I kind of wanted it to make sense. The video is fairly short. Basically, I bought a Chinese ATV when I bought the Polaris, and I like to go out during the wintertime and start it once, or at least every couple of weeks or so. I like to go out and start it and fire it up. Basically, I went out to start it, put the key in. Key wasn't turning at all. I thought, oh crap. So I did some YouTube and some Google research, and I tried a key that didn't work, and then I found this other method in a blog. Somebody said to try this. I tried it thinking there's no way in the world this is going to work. I'm going to have to replace this whole ignition. So this technique or method or whatever, or trick, I'm just wanting to put this out there in case anybody runs into this and is a rookie like myself, and before you hit the panic button, bring it to the dealer or try to replace the ignition. Give this a shot, and hopefully this will fix it like it did for me. All right, hope this video helps. Again, this is nothing new or groundbreaking. I just wanted to show that I ran into this problem, and here's how I fixed it. All right, we'll see you out there. All right, let's say you bought one of these China job ATVs. This is the Kayo Bull 150. It's been a great ATV. So we got it when we got the Polaris, and it runs great. We've ran it all summer, so it's not even a year old. And so far so good. It runs great. I didn't know what to expect. They say, sometimes these Chinese ATVs can be kind of a pain in the butt. So anyways, as far as running wise, it's been great. So again, I'm not really much of a mechanic kind of person. Friends of mine that are subscribers could probably vouch. I am mechanically inclined. So I got on the other day, and I wanted to start it because I like to start it every week or so. And let me show you what the problem is. So I get on the ATV, and I go to start it, and you can see it's stuck. Like, it will not turn. Okay, so I looked at the key. Looks pretty good. I was going to spray some WD-40 in there, but again, we've never really rode this through the mud, so I don't think it's like anything like mud or gunk in there. So I figured, make a video. Let's see if we can fix this together, and if I can do it, pretty much anyone else can do it. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to replace this, or if there's just some pins in here that are bad. So I figured, let's start with the low-hanging fruit first. So let's try the other key. Let's see if that makes a difference. And it doesn't. Let's get you guys in a good spot. Yeah, so that doesn't work. So I also read sometimes this gets stuck, so if you can turn the wheel back and forth, sometimes that can free up the ignition. So let's see if I can lift this up and try to move the handlebars. Let's put you guys down. Oh, okay. Well, so by shifting, I jiggled the handle, or I don't know, the handlebars, that actually popped it loose. So now I can turn my key freely. Cool. All right, so I don't have to replace this, so that's a good sign. Let's fire it up. Now, I haven't started this in a little while.